Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. And in this video I'll guide you and I'll show you how to use Ninja AI chatbot and how to compare with ChatGPT. So you can see here the out interface quite similar to the ChatGPT or other chatbot. So you can write, describe what you need, and you have to create your account first, and then you can see here five options. First diff research, first diff coder. You can make your website, you can build your application through this option. Ninja Clinic AI Studio, so you can um, write code or anything. You can generate image also in this chatbot, and you can chat also. So these are things. So let's check with ChatGPT. So I'm just going to show you how they reply. I can say, tell me how to earn money. Okay, so in short, I will ask this question uh, Ninja AI also. Let's check. So you can see here the answer is simple, like freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, online selling, remote jobs, and serve and micro tasks. So I'll ask this same question to the Ninja Tag. Okay, and then click here. Let's check. So in Ninja Tag, okay, but it's not organized properly. But you can see here, it's generated like a medium short. So you can see here, actually I can prefer ChatGPT, but you can still this